Okay, a new day, but the same old project, restoring this Casio CSP80 piano. So far, the electronic is here on my bench, and what I have done, I changed the volume potentiometer. Luckily, I had a perfect replacement. That's the original here. You can see that the top it's smashed, so everything else is fine. There is a single problem here, which is the length of the potentiometer of the head, but I'll see that later when it will be fixed in the case. I also changed this input for the sustain pedal because this one it's smashed. We can give a try, huh? Power is applied, power on. The power LED is on, and I got also power to the other LEDs. Noise? Yes, we have. This is great. I know that here we have a demo. Perfect. The potentiometer is in a perfect shape. No more cracking sounds once the potentiometer moves, I really have emotions about checking the keyboard. I've been working a lot for this to be in shape. I'm kind of anxious about seeing the results. Let's connect the cables. It's very easy. Put them back together. Power on, and let's go. Yes, it's working. Let's check all the keys. Do you remember this one here? This key here was the one with problem. I fixed it, and it's also responding to velocity. Velocity, it's on. Perfect. Velocity is perfect. Amazing. Here we have also, at the end of this guy, it was another key I fixed, and both of them are working great. Perfect! That's a new piano. It's no more clicky sounds. Perfect. And still having that, that feeling of weight because of the keys are working great. Before that, let's check the pedal, the sustain pedal. We got a piano there. Oh yeah, so it's the other way around. Let's see if I'm turning the power and keep the pedal pressed. Some of the pianos, they are registering the reverse polarity pedal. No. Yeah, it's working, but it needs a Yamaha style pedal with the contact. Let me see what kind of contact we have now. Okay, so this is normally open. Once you press it, it's closed. Or better say, now the switch is on and now the switch is off. I think I'll go downstairs because I have, this piano is huge. So I have that table outside. We can use that to put the things together. Yes, beautiful summer day. It's nice and warm. Finally, it's summer. So let's go try to put the things together. So let's start with the electronic part. all the LEDs are in place. That's perfect. That's evidently the clutch is at 1, so that gives a very low torsion. So that makes me sure that I'm not override the screws into the plastic. Well, I can see something here. It's saying 9321. Maybe it's 93, the date of manufacture. 93, oh my, that's like 30 years old piano. Yeah, why not? Nothing wrong with that. Okay, shall we give it a try? Yeah, I got power. Transpose, it's working. Our on volume. Okay people, so that's it. The job well done. As you can see, the piano is looking great. Let me go in the shadow. The job well done. The piano is looking great. The case, it's in a good shape. Everything gets nice and steady. So I think that's it for today. This is the end of the project about fixing and refurbish Casio CPS80 piano. I hope it's useful. If you think so, please subscribe, please like. Have creativity, and don't forget, of course, have fun. Bye bye.